What are you doing, Kuya?
Mommy, alam mo siya.
Okay. Okay, great job, Kuya. Okay, 2 more left. Okay, now we will start now with our lesson. So this is matching sounds. So the beginning sounds here is B. So letter B.
Mommy,
Bag.
mommy, and b, and bag, and b, and book.
Okay.
I sing letter A to Z.
Okay. Okay, start from number 1. You open number 1 now. Let's see what's inside that. Come on.
Oh no, what's that? What's that inside, Mommy?
You open it. Come on. Okay, what do you see there? What's the beginning sound?
Letter T.
Letter T. Okay, fine.
Train.
Oh, train. Wow, very good.
Mommy, letter
Next.
T, it's a train.
Okay, number 2.
The bed.
Bed.
B. B, 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 the B, 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 the B, B,
Oh,
B.
where are you going to
B,
put
B,
letter
B,
B?
B, 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 the bed.
A bat. Very good.
B,
Next.
B, 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 B.
Okay, what's the next number?
Okay, to the B.
Okay, the next number.
3.
Oh, number 3. What's there?
I mean, my shadow.
Oh, yeah, your shadow.
My hand shadow.
Okay, it's okay.
Oh no, with that, it's a cup.
Okay, it's a cup. What's the beginning letter?
Oh
No. You put back 3. Okay, you open number 3. Okay, what's that?
no. Oh no. What inside? It's that. It's a cup.
Okay, you open.
What's that? It's a cup.
Okay.
Inside the 3.
Okay, let's try. Let's open so that we will know. Well, let me see. Okay, you can't open it. Oh, yeah.
Cup.
Okay, what's the letter? The beginning letter.
And C.
Okay, C. Okay, find the word there. The objects that begin with letter C also.
C, 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 C.
And then you put the number. Okay, cup.
And cat.
Cat. Okay, very
Mommy,
good.
Mommy, oh, meow, meow.
Oh, okay, very good. Okay, meow, meow. Okay, now what's the next number?
Number 4.
Okay, you open number 4. What's
Dog.
that? Okay, what's the beginning letter?
It's a D.
D. What's the sound?
And door.
Door?
Door.
Oh, very good, Kuya. Okay, what's the next number?
Number 5.
Okay, number 5. You open number 5. Come on. Okay, what's that?
Egg.
Egg.
Nut.
Nest. The egg is in the nest. So what's the beginning
Mommy,
letter?
a 4 egg.
Yeah, there are 4. Are you sure there are 4 eggs there? You count?
Mommy, count with us. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, there are only 3 eggs. So what's the beginning letter?
Mommy, look.
The beginning letter is...
Three.
Okay, what's the beginning letter? Kuya, what's the beginning letter? Nest. N. Letter N.
And there's a Bible.
Okay, find the objects or pictures that match with the letter
The
N.
5
Nails. Okay, very good. Is a nail a toy? No, sit properly.
It hurts, Mommy.
It hurts because it's...
Pointed.
Okay, pointed. Very good.
Mommy.
Mm-mm.
How do you find my pointed?
There, oh, the nails. But you cannot play with that. Why? Because it could hurt. Okay, what's the next number na? You open.
Mommy, 1, 2, 3.
Hurry, oh, we're almost finished na. Come on.
3, 4, 5. What next? It's the 6.
Okay.
Your turn, Mommy, your turn.
No. Okay, you want mommy to open number 6?
6.
Okay, open.
Your turn, Mommy.
Your turn. Okay, number 6. What's inside?
The hat.
Hat. Okay, what's the beginning letter?
It's a H.
Okay, H. What's the sound?
Mommy,
Okay, what are you? Where are you going to put? No. I'm going to record it.
Kuya ba?
Okay, you put.
That's
What's?
mine. That's mine, Mommy.
You finish this one first, then you can play with
That's
this.
mine, Mommy.
Okay, you put it here muna.
That's mine, Mommy.